Now to Helldorado. Here comes Mom. She's having a good year, number 3 in the turquoise circuit. Her and this little dun horse can get it on. Here we go. Helldorado. Family's in the bacon business. Here we go. Come on, folks, don't do it in silence. Come on, cheer on. Let's go. Woo. Sits down and turns. And the mama does well. How about 16-10? That's going to put her second. 10 in the world, number 1 in the California circuit. She won Salinas, California a year ago. And if you had tickets to the Wrangler National Finals Rodeo, you watched her for 10 rounds inside the Thomas and Mack. Christina Richmond. Scat cat little horse. Oh, Christina. $16-10. That'll tie her with Helldorado for the fastest run of the night. Both those cowgirls in at 16-10. So the last barrel racer and the cowgirl from Kingman. Tell you what, we'll have Dolly take the victory lap for both. From behind the banners of Ahern Reynolds and Sahara Toy, that's Helldorado. How about giving her a round of applause for a job well done? Nice job, Dolly.